From the car park of Lower Moor Nature Reserve, Cotswold, UK, we are following the signs towards the cafe. There is a map at the very beginning and just follow the trail all the way. The cafe is extremely small and it looks like a little hut. Right beside it, we have the Lower Moor farm, and this is what you see, this lake and the nature. Follow the trail by passing through the gate and you'll find these numbers along the path. It gives you information. Along the trail, you'll actually go past some residences, and these are really nice. They even built a duck farm here. It's not the right season to see all these plants on the signs, however we found all these different types of plants along the way. This sign shows us bees and butterflies. This area was really nice once we walked past this bridge. Slightly off the trail, if you go through all these little bushes, you can actually reach this forest of birch trees. There are also other areas, but they've become a bit more swampy. Some other areas where it tells you can discover more, it's just more of a walk in the woods. Eventually, you reach the first hide. Go inside and don't forget to close the door. In here, you want to be very quiet. You will also want your binoculars to be able to see the birds. Unfortunately, you can't control who comes in. Sometimes you get families bringing children in here, they talk very loud, and they scare away all the birds. Around the hides, there are signs that show you what birds you may see in the summer and in the winter. You can also record it in the diary that's underneath, so you can see what birds are available. We are now continuing our path. We have now reached the second hide. And then we continue our path again. And just across this bridge, a little bit further up, we reached the final hide. Same style as before, however in here there was no birds at all, just some clouds, so we're not going to see the lake. Finally, go for the last gate to the play area, which is more of a sitting area. Then you got the last gate, which surprisingly goes straight back to the car park. Overall, it's a very nice walk. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!